You look like a gentleman and a scholar. But you're a killer.
My friend, you get straight to the point, don't you? I hope you're gonna cooperate.
Cooperate? What do you mean?
I don't want to fight you if you'll hand over the gold plate to me. I've been ordered to place you under arrest.
All right. Pay attention. Firstly, I ain't handing over the gold plate. Secondly, I'm not going back with you. Thirdly, to be more polite when talking to one of your elders, you should show some respect. I'm gonna sort you out.
Damn, I hate it when it rains. Ever since I came in the game, some hated on the fame. A lot of niggas been changed and started acting strange. Even labels turning their backs and starting back in lanes. Radio is the same, whole lot of speculating. These motherfuckers defecating on the name Wu-Tang. If this is where the hip-hop is, radio mind in. That ain't where the hip-hop lives. They live in the streets, we eat to live, they live in the eat. I'm fed up, that nigga writers in them, giving them sleep. R.I.P. Make me the king of all I see. And when death call, I'm good, I got call ID. See, it was planned in the front, now they just gon' front. Like my joints is on proactive and they just don't bump. Come on. The niggas gon' say I lost my skill, when in fact they all been programmed and lost they feel for real.
They got so much things to say right now, stay right now. They got so much things to say it, things to say it. They got so much things to say right now, stay right now. They got so much things to say it.
Damn, another artist chokes again. They ain't cut as close as them or even broke the skin. See how niggas ain't your friend when there ain't no ends. Don't care who the case offend, don't underrate my pen. I got what it takes to win. Why y'all thinking I'm trash? Loving the taste of success and this drink in my glass. Watching co-sign that whack shit. Give it a pass till it's gone. Quicker than Fred, can't get rid of them crabs. When they wrong, call the cops, the credibility shot. This time they learn what hot really is and really is not. Off-brand niggas, not gon' let them know off top. Don't get smacked on DVD. Trying to show off blocks. I can't stop cause my enemies plot or cause the cops want me shackled and locked inside the penalty box. And while they waiting for my shit to flop, they getting pimped like hoes, selling their gas just to get my spot. Come on, man.
They got so much things to say right now, stay right now. They got so much things to say it, things to say it. They got so much things to say right now, stay right now. They got so much things to say.
Wait, we're not through.
Half these critics ain't got half the skill. Often so hungry that they have to steal. If I didn't have my deal and didn't have his mass appeal, then I'm back up in that trap slinging crack. It's real, and that ain't worth the time. So search and find a new nerve. And here's 3 words I worked in mine. It take a lot more to hurt my pride, jerk my vibe more than media live. Cry when Dirt Dog died, nigga. The last album wasn't feeling my style. This time I put up in their ass, bet they feeling me now. Cause the cow, he put his heart in every track he do. But somehow y'all found some way to give a whack. It ain't all good. They writing that I'm Hollywood, trying to tell you my shit ain't ghetto and they hardly hood. Come on, man. Until you can write some rhymes, keep that in mind when you find yourself reciting mine.